in this example, we're going to create a line chart. So again, I'm going to take this example right out of your book. So it's on page 25, and it has to deal with the price of gasoline and here we go, price per gallon. So in column C is the data that we want. I'm just going to click and drag to highlight all of it. So we get down to from the C1 down to C409, and now I'm going to the Insert tab, and I'm going to choose Line Graph, and I'm going to choose the 2D, and that's the first one that'll display. And right here, I've got that chart. I guess maybe I should have brought it up a little bit, but I'll leave it right here and just do a little formatting. So under Chart Tools, I'm going to choose Layout. In this case, I'm going to remove the chart title, and under Access Titles, under the horizontal, I'm going to put a title down there. Oops. And that will be the month. So it goes from 1 to 400 some. And then on the vertical axis is going to be the average price of gasoline. So again, axis title, vertical. I'll do it rotated. I'm just going to click in there. I go Control A to highlight everything. And then I can type in average price of gasoline, and then I can go ahead and make different kinds of changes. For instance, the grid lines, the horizontal, I'm just going to get rid of those. And if I wanted to go under design, I could choose a different style here. You can have some fun with it. Play around, create what you want. Again, don't be afraid to experiment a little bit with this. I mean, that's not quite what I want, but I'll leave it here. Again, if you go where in the middle of either the horizontal or the vertical and drag, you can potentially change spacing of that, however much room you want it to have. And again, you can see on the bottom, those numbers are all vertical to fit in. If I go Move Chart, for instance, go New Sheet, still doesn't give it enough room, so which is fine. But again, if I want to move the chart back, I could put it back in Sheet 1. So again, there's all kinds of options for how you move that around, and I could also, as long as I'm out here, get rid of that legend as well, so I'll turn that off. And again, just feel free to experiment with that. So that's it for line graphs.